Hi, welcome. I'm so pleased you're here watching this video. My name is Julie, for those of you that don't know me. I'm an artist. I paint with all sorts of encaustic wax techniques and styles and share my passion for this material with others. But in this particular course, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be painting with an iron, the right way around. So we're going to be using an encaustic iron, some wax blocks, and we're going to be creating, get the right way round, some sort of pictures a bit like this. So really bright, really uplifting, gorgeous colours and designs. So this is like a little mini course, a bit of a taster course for people to get them started. What we're going to cover is we'll go through all the equipment you're going to need. So there's an equipment list. We'll talk through the iron, the waxes and the papers that you'll need to create these pieces, and really kind of who it's for. It's for, I've had people working with this style of encaustic painting, and encaustic just means hot wax painting, from, like, 11 years old up to, I've had people in their 70s, 80s, I think even one person in their 90s, men and women. And yeah, there's one thing that comes up time and time again, and it is just the fluid, gorgeous, the colours, the techniques, and just the application as much as anything. It's just the way the wax is applied, and you can just lose yourself in it entirely. So the course, the actual kind of content inside the course, there's one, it's about 30, just under 30 minutes, I think, video, and that's actually taken from, it was an art healing workshop that I did for a little project quite some time ago, and it had really lovely feedback. So I've included that in there. And then there's a second, another sort of 20-minute video, and again that talks you through some more techniques. And we'll sort of, during those two videos, we are covering how to apply the wax, how to melt it, how to adjust the temperature, how to clean your iron. What else? It just gives you some different ideas with different effects you can get, colours, and yeah, it touches an awful lot on how your mood can affect the colours you choose as well, and really just to kind of go with your intuition and to just trust and go sort of gut feel with the colours that you're drawn to. So it's not about creating perfect finished pieces, it's about letting the art guide you according to what you need. There's a few suggestions to sort of try at the end of it, so if you're kind of getting a bit stuck for ideas, I've got a list of suggestions of things to kind of maybe shape it up a bit. We work on larger sizes as well, and then also sort of a what next. So I find that a lot of people, once they've had a bit of a taste of encaustic, they want to take it further. So it's like, well, where do I go to next? So there are some steps on that, and we have a free Facebook group that you can post your creations in as well. So this is just a really nice resource for you to kind of get you started, and just discover the beautiful colour and texture and fluidity of this style of painting. It's basically where I started with this style of painting when I first discovered encaustic, back in 2012 when I started painting, and it just absolutely mesmerised me. I had to find out more about it. If you don't know about my story, there's lots of bits and pieces on my website that sort of share how I came to find encaustic. But basically I just completely went from frazzled, chaotic mess, busy running life and children and everything. I saw this, and just art and encaustic really helped me, and it's why I'm so passionate about sharing what I do with other people, really, and hopefully that might inspire other people, and yeah, might help you too. Anyway, so that's what this workshop is for. I hope you enjoy it. There will be a sign up link somewhere around this video, and if you're already inside the course, then you just kind of click through and follow the steps, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see what you create. Good luck, take care. Oh, my website is artyheaven.com, just in case you're seeing this video. It's www.artyheaven.com, and my name is Julie Rothwell. I hope you enjoy it. Take care. Bye.